Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menhenin kasi ka Lypa iterik ulber raja rapun riau ki Pulit kilayo jingtep balawanra yo wei Khynnah Bniah hospital Shillong henrai ki doktor kila pentep baula yap lupa Shuwa banwanra. Superintendent of Police ka East Coast Hills Vivek's imulo ong ba Khynnah uday badang country usnam bat udang syong haka Klas mi na ying na Motinagar haka por shibiche steng mensi bat ukpa jong ulaptha ba uday ban wan pha ying no Shuwa ka san shiteng janmiet henry haka pon reu bje janmiet ulapun yaki kimi kikpa jong ba udan hapadeng ka jing bat udan haki benta jong ka jingking umpling ki kmekik pa kilalet bat lap ya nakaway ka yeng bat kadan ka jing mi isnam nakhmod kumta kilapan kit ya Bniah hospital henry lapan banaba ula yap Shuwa banwanra SP ulong bahaba pet ya kamat ka pha jong kam idon dak mong bat kapan ibaw klam sa sho ne sha pan mensaw la pankit ya kamat jong shanigrims banle ya postmortem bat ki Pulit kitang ap ya ka kaipot jong ka postmortem Shuwa ban Tohkit Bniah.
We received information from Bniah Hospital that one brought dead case was of a boy of 16 years was brought to Bniah Hospital and he was brought dead, declared dead. He was brought in a 108 ambulance from Umpling Bridge. Now the boy is a student of class 10. He had come home on the 30th of March for his spring break. Now he had left his home in Motinagar at about 1:30 afternoon and his father had told him, his father is an advocate, had told him to come back before 5:30. However, he didn't come back at 5:30. At about 6, his parents received calls from his phone that he was there. He was in Umpling Bridge, somewhere in Umpling Bridge. So they went there. They found him in a house and he was unconscious and he was bleeding from his nose. And then immediately in 108 taken to Bniah. We have done an inquest over the body. There's no fatal injury of the body, except for the nosebleed and the discoloration of the lips, of the upper lips. And the body has been taken to Nigrims. Today, post-mortem was conducted to actually ascertain what is the actual cause of death. Once we get to know from Nigrims what is the actual cause of death, and also once the toxicology is done, then we can be for very sure what really happened to him. But apparently, it doesn't look like any form of assault as of now. Preliminary inquiry would suggest that there is no form of assault on his body and face and all that, which would purport that assault took place. So once the postmortem report is there and toxicology reports, we will be able to get a clearer picture of it.
But it is also known that he died of overdose drugs, is it?
That will confirm once the toxicology report has come.
Whose house was he found in?
In one of the two people who also are of two people who stay in Umpling only.
His friends.
I would say friends, but acquaintances.
They were using drugs.
Possibility is there.
So how do you treat this case? Murder or unnatural
No,
death?
unnatural death.
So have you detained anyone on this?
No, it's an unnatural death. There's no criminal angle to it. Yes.